Hi there, welcome to this tutorial for the ukulele playlongs of All Star that are on the Uke Playlongs channel. What we're going to do in this video is first we'll talk about the chords you need for GCEA soprano concert tenor ukulele, then we'll talk about the chords you need for baritone DGBE ukulele, and then we'll talk strumming a little bit. If you want to support the work on this channel, there are three things you can do. First of all, you can like this video. Second, you can subscribe to the two channels, both the Uke Playlongs channel and the Uke Stuff channel. And third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff. All right, let's begin with the chords you need for GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. You'll need the G chord. You'll need the D chord. There are a lot of ways to play the D chord. I typically play the D chord by putting my first finger at the top of the third string second fret and my other two fingers around it. That allows me to change from G to D with a pivot finger. Some people want to play 1, 2, 3 in a row. Some people want to play 2, 3, 4 in a row. Some people want to use two fingers. Some people want to bend one finger. The one thing that we ask that you don't do is play D with your thumb because it's really hard to switch. Then there's an A minor chord. There's a C chord, an F chord, and then a C sharp diminished 7. Don't get freaked out by it. If you think about your G chord, if you let go of your ring finger, you have two fingers there, and you just slide up one fret. That's your C sharp diminished 7 chord. And those are the chords you need to play All Star by Smash Mouth on GCA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. Now let's talk about baritone ukulele. All right, on baritone DGBE ukulele, first of all, I need the G chord, a D chord, the A minor chord, a C chord, an F chord. So you're going to take your first finger, put across strings 1 and 2 right above that metal first fret, pull against the fretboard. That's going to give you most of the sound. Add your thumb for some support, but mainly pull. It's not a pinch, pull, and then add two fingers. And then we're going to have the C sharp diminished 7. So you do is you take fingers 1 and 2 and put those on strings 4 and 2 at the second fret. And then you add fingers 3 and 4 on strings 3 and 1 at the third fret. I like making these 4-finger diminished 7 chords with 4 fingers. You can actually do it with a bar chord, but I find much more clarity using 4 separate fingers on these chords. And those are the chords you need to play All Star by Smash Mouth on baritone DGB ukulele. Now let's talk about strumming. As it comes to strumming, remember that there's not one single right answer. The number one question on the Uke Playlongs channel, and to be honest, I don't even publish them anymore because I hold all comments. You just never know what somebody's going to write. So I hold all comments and I delete the question, which is what's the strumming pattern? There is not one right strumming pattern, particularly when ukulele was never used in the original version. There are 3 rules to strumming. The first one is play the right chord at the right time. The second is keep a steady beat, whether you're playing along with the video or playing by yourself. And the third one is make sure that whatever you're playing actually matches the style of music. Because while there is not one single right answer, there are definitely wrong answers from time to time that you'll hear a strumming pattern go, that doesn't really fit with that style of music. So whatever works for you is right. But to answer that question, what's the strumming pattern? That's why I make these videos. So if you don't know what to do, here's a suggestion for you. The first thing is on the verses. Somebody once told me the world is going to roll me. So the chords here are G, D, A minor, C. What I hear is just down, down, up, down, down, up. It's going to work really well with the song. It's just down, down, up, down, down, up. But when you get to the chorus, hey now, you're an all-star, I just hear down, up all the time. And I'm kind of giving a stronger beat on the downbeats. So I'm hitting harder on down. Down, up, 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 down, up. And strumming much stronger on the down strum, although that happens naturally. The up strum is naturally a weaker strum than is the down strum anyway. So even if you're playing without emphasizing, it would still come across a little bit like this. but I'm really hitting it like this. And then the rest of the song, verse, chorus, you just change between going down, down, up, or down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now, is that the only answer? No, you might hear something completely different. And again, as long as it's the right chord at the right time, and you're keeping the right tempo along with the video or by yourself, and then that the style matches the music or format of the music or genre of the music, then you're good to go. All right, so with those chords and with that strumming, that's all you need to do to be successful on All Star as recorded by Smash Mouth. Thanks so much for joining for this video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.